The dryer belt keeps breaking due to overloading or improper installation. To address this issue, it is essential to reload the dryer correctly, as overloading introduces excess weight that stresses the belt, causing it to snap. To load the dryer properly, start by untangling items from the washer before putting them into the dryer. Then, place loose items in a mesh bag to prevent tangling, and avoid mixing thick and light clothes. Additionally, check the belt's installation, as a faulty installation may place tension on one side, causing the belt to break. To install a dryer belt, begin by unplugging the dryer and removing the top and front panels to access the drum. Remove the broken drive belt and align the replacement part in its place. Then thread the new belt through the idler pulley and loop it over the motor pulley, ensuring the ribbed side is in contact with the drum and pulley wheels. Once the new belt is in place, reattach the front and top panels, reattach the vent duct, and restore power to the dryer. By following these steps, the issue of a constantly breaking dryer belt can be resolved.